Hello, my name is Lawrence Cooper, and I serve as the Senior Director of Science Education here at the McWane Science Center. And being part of the education team, we get to serve our mission every day, sparking wonder and curiosity through hands-on science experiences. One way we're able to do that is through our learning labs. And you'll see some students in our learning lab here right behind us. So in response to COVID, where so many children had challenges going back to traditional schools, we designed our Learning Lab project to help those students and their parents fulfill their educational experience. So we do help those students log into their virtual classes to meet with their classroom teachers. We help to complete their assignments. We facilitate that virtual learning experience as well as infuse STEM into their day all throughout the day. Another way we've been able to help our community, especially during COVID, is through our virtual learning experiences. We have a whole new program called McWane on the Web, and that allows teachers in classrooms to experience McWane Science Center all completely online. They can check with us for a video conference call where we do a special presentation. We have online lesson plans that we can send to a teacher to where they can implement that in their classroom. They're also able to connect with us in order to stream those educational IMAX films and those resources into their classroom as well. Once again, my name is Lawrence Cooper. We'd like to thank you for your contributions to help us fulfill our missions every single day.